Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing another Temu haul, so I'm gonna get straight into it. As always, if you've never seen any of my Temu hauls, I have a whole playlist. You guys can go check it out on purchases that I made plus collaborations. I've done both. But anyway, so this is the package that I ordered. This package just came today, and then this package came the other day. This is a smaller package, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'll start with the big package first, and then I'll do the tinier package second. So let's see if you guys already know with this packaging, it always comes in this wrapping. So honestly, I don't remember everything I bought, so we're just gonna dive in and open this up. I always feel like I gotta be very gentle because I don't want to accidentally cut into something. I think there's a clothing piece in here for sure. So I'm gonna try to be very okay. So first things first. I'm just gonna hold it in my hand like this. Alright, first things first, I thought these were bigger than they are. No wonder they're a little bit cheap. But anyway, these are some garbage bags. I'll leave all the prices and everything, of course, in the description box. But I needed some garbage bags, so I got them purple, because you know my favorite color is purple, of course. And I believe this pack is a pack of 100 or something like that, or 150. It's covered up, so I can't tell. But yeah, I got these purple garbage bags. Okay, next, I got this lint roller, and I want to see if it really works. I saw good reviews on it. This is what it looks like. And actually, you know what? Let me just quickly take it out for you guys. So, because it should be an unboxing, right? So it's one of those things. I notice a lot of things these days, not only from Temu but in general, or I read charger, and I feel like it's so many chargers to keep up with, and this is why sometimes I like to keep boxes, because then I lose the chargers. So okay, I was just testing it out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I have one of these sweaters that it has a huge amount of lint. I learned my lesson never to dry it again, and I haven't worn it since then because it's a really pretty sweater actually. I think it's Calvin Klein or something that my mom had gotten me, and then once I washed it and I put it in dry, which was a bad choice, it got so much lint. So I'm going to see if this actually works. Well, at least we know it's charged already, and you guys heard the sound, so. Yeah, I'm actually excited to use that because what is this? Oh, I think this is from my sister, but why is it in a... Sorry, I'm just confused as to why it's in this box. You see, this is what happens. You know when you buy something, you don't remember everything you buy? Like, literally, the only thing I remember from this whole thing that I bought so far is... Well, I didn't show you guys yet, is the... is like this windbreaker jacket that I bought, which I hope I like. Oh, it's the screen protectors. I'll just take them out of the box. I don't know if she wants the box. I'll leave it in the box actually, and then she figures out what she wants to do with it. But these are from my sister. I don't have an iPhone 14, I have a 13, but they're just screen protectors. I'm not gonna take them out, but yeah, it comes with the little wipes as always. So I mean, I'll link it, but I don't have a 13. This is not. These are some dry erasable markers, and yes, I could have got this anywhere, but since I was placing an order, I was like, what are the things I actually need? So you guys may or may not know, if you follow me, then you know I have a dry erasable board that I write my calendar every month. So I need more because the one that I use, I feel like, I think because it's such a bigger marker, it's harder for me to write with. And I know if I use a small one, I borrowed one of my sister's, but that dried out. It works better, and also they come with the erasers on it. So there's multiple colors, so I can use as many colors as I want. It's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of them in different colors. But just to take out one, I'll go for the purple since that's my favorite color. That's what it looks like. So when you open it's the marker and the eraser. I had a few of those before, but all of them dried out every time I was trying to use it, like this month to write my calendar. So now I have these, I can use these instead. Alright, next, I don't even know what this is. Oh, I got a handheld paper shredder. We'll see how that works. I'm not using that right now, but at some point I'm gonna dedicate a day to because I have some like important documents and I just don't like. I feel like anything with very important documents, I don't like to keep them, throw them in the garbage. I rather shred them. Yes, I could have gotten a huge shredder, but I didn't want to spend so much money if I'm not gonna shred so many papers. If that makes sense. I don't know. It might take me longer, but hey, we'll see how this works. I haven't tried it, but literally, like you guys can see, it says a hand shredder. I think this is like $10, $11 or something like that. I'm trying to see if I can open it for you guys, just to quickly show it to you, but not coming out the box, guys. Oh, got it. So, but it shows blue, but I got the black, so pretty much this is what it looks like. It comes, hold on, I'm trying to show you guys without dropping stuff. Just put this to the side for a second. So this is what it comes like. You of course put the paper in. Now it's not like your average shredder. The bigger shredders you'll shred so much faster, obviously. But this, oh, I should have got an A6, I think. I got an A4 paper, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. I think I'm just going to have to cut the paper in half and then shred it. But it is what it is. It is a hand shredder. Inside has the little... Ooh, I thought I broke it. Inside has a little thing, but I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to keep it in there, the part where you turn it to shred the paper. So yeah. Because it's been a minute since I wanted to, like, shred papers, but... I mean, throw out papers, but I didn't want to throw them out, like I said, in the actual thing. So I got a shredder, but I also didn't want to spend $30-something, and I have enough things in my room, so I wanted something that's compact and small and it's not going to take up space. So that's why I got this, because it's not like a... This is not mine. This is actually my sister's outfit, I think. Let me see. Yes. It's like a 2-piece set. Should I show it? I won't show it because I don't, it's not mine. I'm not gonna, this is like a windbreaker jacket because I want another one because both of mine's one, it's good, but it doesn't have a hoodie. And sometimes, you know, like when it comes to fall's slowly approaching, I don't even think about it, but it is. And so those are good for like when it's fall and the weather's like 70, but it's still like not exactly freezing winter. So that's why I got this one. I actually got an electrolyte so it could be a little bulky because I didn't want it to be too like tight on me. And this one comes with a hoodie, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it does. Black hoodie. And also I wanted a zipper because I hate when I don't have a zipper. If I'm hot, I can unzip it. Vice versa. And if I'm cold, I can zip it up. So I'm not going to try this on because I don't see the point, honestly. But this is what it looks like. I won't lie, the material feels really good. It feels just like the other windbreakers I have. I have two. I know one I got from Puma and the other one was from some other brand. But the material feels just like my other windbreakers. Oh, it does have pockets. I think the only thing is it doesn't have pockets, which is fine. Yeah, it doesn't have pockets. But it has the hoodie. And it has a drawstring if you want to like pull it tighter. So that's what it looks like. But again, I'm not going to really try it on because you guys can see it. And this is the only clothing piece. If this was a full, like, on clothing haul, then I would have tried it on. But since it's just one clothing item, I just show you guys what it looks like. Last thing in this bag is this accordion file. So just like I said, I have the paper shredder. I have a bunch of papers that keep on falling out, folders. Just other important documents that I'm not necessarily shredding. but I want to keep them. So I got this. I don't remember how much the accordion folder is supposed to hold as far as paper, but I don't think I have that much paper that I'm not going to fit. I think it's supposed to expand anyway. It's just flattened now. But it's just a black accordion folder like this. And then you just open it up, and then it's actually multicolored. You can, I think you can label it if I'm not mistaken, maybe not. But oh, I had it the wrong way, no wonder. So this is the way you put it, and then I guess, can you cut these labels? Probably. Oh no, you can't. I thought you could cut the labels, but you can't. But here, I mean, I could just use a permanent marker or something, or a regular marker, and just write down what is in what. So just so that I can organize all my papers. That way, when when I'm always looking for something specific, I can find them, like any important documents, whatever it is. So that's why I got the accordion folder. Like I said, I've been really just buying a lot of organizing tools these days to organize everything. Alright, I already know this is nail polish, but again, I waited till I got my other package to show you guys everything that I got. So, this, I got a different brand of gel. I never tried this brand. I tried another brand that I currently have on my toes. That brand was pretty good, so, this one I have not tried yet, though. This is a different brand. It's called Roniki Beauty Gel Polish. It says no chips, mirror, shine, safe and easy removal. So this is what the kit looks like. They have preparation and usage and how to use it, removal and everything, how to use it. I have a nail drill, so I have all the tools. If you want to check out my maintenance vlog of me doing my toes and everything, I do have a video, so I will link it. But yeah, so they have all the colors here. I think all the colors that I got was, it doesn't say on the box, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys. It's a total of 9 colors. So the colors are by numbers. I think the same thing with my other brand. The colors are numbers, is not, which when you go to a regular nail salon, it's the same thing. It's always like a number. It's not an actual like blue something. I was just checking to see if the actual nail polish says the colors, but it doesn't. It just says color number 137. So the other brand I have actually had the color on it. So I guess with everything, I'm going to have to keep on opening it to figure out the color. But this is like a brownish color. I wanted to get something fall vibes. This is, oh, maybe the colors are there. No, it's not. Never mind. This, let's see what color this is. Put this on my lap. This is like a orangish, peachish color, I would say. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'll probably zoom in so you guys can see, because I don't want to drop it on accident on my floor. It's hard to take off the carpet. This, let's see. Ooh, purple. I think I got it because they had purple. I might do this next. This color next, I mean. Next color, let's see, is a pinkish color. I have so many pinks, but hey, it's okay. That's the thing, like, they had different variations, so this is not the only colors. There was different, like, sets you could get of colors. This is another, like, pinkish color. So I'm pretty sure my stash of nail polishes, I have some colors that are similar. But even when you go to nail salon, same thing. Some colors, you look at them and they're very much, like, close to the same. Another, like, peaches color. I was trying to go fall vibes, but I feel like this is, like, a mixture of fall and spring colors. This is the, oh, this is a base coat. This is nothing. Dang. Sometimes I just like to use the same brand. Normally I try to do that when I get nail polish. If the brands come with the base coat and the top coat, I use them with the same brand. This is a top coat, so nothing. Ooh, sorry, I was very astonished by the top coat because it's like this nice, I don't know, it almost looks like a matte or something. I think my other brand came with matte and glossy. Yep, these are both top coats. Yep. So which I've never seen. My other kit came with something that was matte and glossy top coat, so it's 2 different top coats. I guess you put both. This one I guess would be the glossy one because the liquid is not as thick, it's thin. But on both it just says top coat. It doesn't say which is which, but I'm pretty sure one is glossy and one is matte, because my other brand of nail polish came with 2 top coats as well. So yeah, that's the little kit. Like I said, it has 9 bottles in the box. And yeah, so I am interested in trying this one. Oh yeah, that concludes this Temu haul. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Again, I will leave everything in the description box. If you want to check out any more of my Temu hauls, I will leave the playlist down below, and it probably will be somewhere at the end screen, so you guys can just click it and see all my other reviews. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'll leave my discount code down below as well if you want to purchase anything. Bye.